Hi, my name's Beth. I completed my YTT at Krishna Village back in 2021. Since then, I'm back in the UK teaching 2 yoga classes a week across 2 different gyms. And as I work full-time as a NICU nurse, I expanded my teacher training and did the pregnancy specialism with Bhakti Rose, who also goes to Krishna Village. And then I have been able to teach pregnancy yoga workshops at the university of the city that I live in. I would 100% recommend Krishna Village because it was probably the best experience I had while I was over in Australia for the 2 years that I was there. You just get to meet so many amazing people who really just influence and change your life. It's really hard to just pick one favourite thing from Krishna Village because there's a whole list, but I think the best thing is just the sense of the community. So if you were having a bad day, there would just be always someone there for you if you needed them, a stranger or not. And I really enjoyed taking part in the Bhakti yoga on the weekends. So being able to work in the garden, just using that as a form of meditation, planting seeds, picking vegetables for our food. It was just a very wholesome experience. So I would definitely recommend Krishna Village if you're thinking of going, whether you're from Australia or not. And also, I just want to give a massive shout out to Leela and Lakshmi because you guys are the best. Haribo, see you soon.